breathe slowly, thinking of you again. In the quiet of the night, I hear the sitar echo through the rain. Shadows dancing in the room, while memories call your name. Every heartbeat feels slower, like the world is drifting far away. And I close my eyes a moment, letting thoughts of you remain. Stay with me. In the rain, moonlight dripping through the blinds, painting silver on the floor. I remember when you whispered you won't walk away no more. But the night grows soft and lonely, and the rain keeps falling slow. I still reach for you inside me, in the places no one knows.
I miss the way you breathe, the way the silence felt warm, the way the rain never felt cold when you were here. Stay with me, just a little longer.
Sitar notes fall like raindrops, echoing where my heart should be. Every rhythm pulls me deeper to a place where you and I still meet. I'm drifting through the stillness, letting memories unfold. The night keeps telling stories that my heart can't let go. Stay in the quiet rain. And when the dawn is slowly rising, and the rain begins to fade, I'll keep your warmth inside me, in every note we never played. Stay with me, even in the silence.